Today we're just going to do a little something special. We're doing our little rendition of the song Shallow. It's by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. And anyway, it's just a fun song that we're going to do together. If you are interested in playing the piano, or you have any interest in really music, piano is a great place to start, whether it's where you end up or not. Make sure to check the description below. Bethany has created just an amazing piano course. It's really for any level, and it can take you from the absolute basic to intermediate to those who kind of think they know it all, but they want to learn just all kinds of different songs. It's really broad and all in there. So make sure to check out that description. Get on that course. You'll enjoy it. This song is in there, and we just thought it would be a fun one to do together. So let's try it out.
All right.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself.
Tell me something, boy. Would you try time to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I hear myself. And I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shadows now. In the shadow, in the shadow, in the shadow. We're far from the shadow now. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in, and I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shadow now. In the shadow, in the shadow, in the shadow. We're far from the shadow now.
All right. Thanks a lot. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, where we're going to have a whole bunch more songs coming your way. Those easy piano tutorials that we've been putting out, we're going to keep those coming. So thanks for joining us today with this special little ditty. We'll see you
ya.
next time.